Hello, we are going to be going over a brief tutorial about getting started with Moodle and what it looks like. So when you type into Moodle, you can go to get started. This is what the page will look like, and seamlessly you can click on that. So Moodle is a learning management system, and it's free for up to 50 people. However, if you need more than that, which most of our classes don't exceed that, you can sign up down here for a fee. So go ahead and we're going to click on Get Started and go to the site. So one of the great things about Moodle, besides it being free, is it's relatively easy to use, and there are a variety of endless tutorials that'll help you. Whether you want it to be super complicated or relatively easy, it's easy to use. So you can go to the live demos if you have an account, log in, or you can create a new account, and I'm going to briefly kind of show you what that looks like. So it is cloud-based, and it's just getting you to, confirm that you're 18, and their terms of service, and their privacy notices, things of that nature. So here you're going to fill in your name and your information. I recommend using an email that's very easy to get to, and you do have to supply them with your mobile number because they will send you a verification code. And if by chance you run into issues, a lot of times they will send different codes to your email as well. So once you go through this, it'll actually let you give the name to your site, and then it'll take you through a variety of steps to kind of get started and go where you need to go. So this is what it looks like once you get into the website. It'll take you to what your courses are. So right now, I don't really have a whole lot set up yet because we're going to go through and kind of show you how to do that. So it'll give you, again, another, it's mini courses. There's mini courses throughout here. And this is your dashboard. And it'll tell you, again, there's tours throughout it. So it gives you kind of an introduction. And you can come in here and you can customize your page. And that's in the upper right. So I'm the only person. You can have more than one person assigned to it if you need to. That's completely up to you. So in all of these, you can either move them around, you can click on your settings, you can hide them, give them certain permissions, you can completely delete it. All of the different boxes that they have available to you are completely customizable. So when you go over here, in your calendar, kind of like Google Classroom and a variety of other learning management systems, you can have all of your assignments, times when you're meeting, just things to keep you organized and your students organized as well. And here you can have files. If you teach a variety of subjects or a variety of different portions of your courses, you can keep everything here and then upload it as needed. So we are going to go up and go back to my Moodle site. And this will be what courses you have available. And so I haven't added any new courses yet. So we are going to create, so within aviation, we have a variety of different things. But we're just going to do Army Aviation overall. And A category will just stay with miscellaneous, and you get to pick here how long you want your course to be available. So say it doesn't even open for a week from now, you can go ahead and set that, and you don't have to write a course ID. And here is where you write a summary. So this is where we will meet to discuss all things aviation. And just like most other things, you can just drag and drop. If you have them over here, you can just drag them over here. You can upload them. It gives you a variety of different ways. And here you can click on your format, how many sections you want. So over time, I'll probably have more than one. And then here your appearances, however you want your site to look, more files and uploads, different roles and groups, however you want to do that. And so this has been a